telling you, I was watching one.
Sorry.
I'm sure. I mean, they are good, but not like cracky, crazy.
No, I mean, but that was also like really.
Yeah. I don't know.
Downward dog.
I'd still like.
I know. I'm like,
Yeah. I might not.
oh, yeah. I mean, that's negative. Come on.
Thank God.
Oh my God, I want it though.
I'll serve her.
Shiba!
1, 2.
Serve it non-way.
Ah, easy serve, bro. I go.
Hit it non-way. Downward dog. Actually, this is more like being a ball.
2. Yes. Oh yeah. Hey, kill. Oh!
You were so early.
Oh fuck. What? I think after hit cross. Yeah. You have more space. If you hit cross, that's it. Go. 3-2. Oh, free ball. Oh shit. Free.
Hit line.
Yeah, got him that way. Indoor versus indoor. Nah, you missed it back. This is where I have to really lock it.
It's funny because Keith has to lock in really hard to hit short shots and cuts.
Oh, he got it.
Hit down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. Keith has like 2 or 3 cut shots that we're playing against still.
Nice.
Yeah. And like really good. It was like and keep that lucky.
It's Josh's serve. It's
Sean, I
Josh's
got
serve.
this. I don't know, but usually I want them back. Just a couple cut shots, man. Yes.
Over non-way. Too early. You're rushing non-way.
You're gonna be higher? Yeah, very.
Non-way. If the ball is going up, wait for it to reach. Wait for it to go up a little bit more and reach an apex.
5-4?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Non-way. Wait. Now.
Go. Okay, go. Okay.
Wait. You're charging right away. It's not an indoor ball.
Oh, God. 5? Yeah, 5. I got it. Nice. I think he's fine. 6-5.
Would you start? Alan, who did you start with? Who did you start with? Okay. That way, cross. He's dropping his elbow because he doesn't have the timing for all the time for hitting.
What is he not dropping his elbow?
Huh? He's not striking all the way through.
It's like hitting.
Yeah, he's hitting there. Yeah.
Okay, and then it's coming. 6-5? 7-5.
You know,
Oh.
I'm getting goosebumps. Now wake up!
But like, if it's low block, if it's Philly, my hit's not strong enough. They can always get up, even though it's gonna be like a stop play, the play. I think that's just the nature of it.
You know what's goofy to me?
So I think Dowdy.
Wait, now.
I don't know.
See?
I just need a coach to shout wait for me. I know I got it.
Yes, Josh is and switch. 8-6? 8-6 or 9-4? 9-5? 8-6, right?
8-6.
Yeah.
You could be a bit more. Because like, yeah, because this is like a hard thing, right? But I'm also very good.
Yeah, just easier if you have to try to get behind the ball as opposed to being sideways. Like that. That's nice. Wait!
Oh!
Yeah, 7-8.
I have right side. I have line shots. I have straight shots. I have low shots. But I cannot.
No way.
That's
No,
I
that's
cannot
out.
cut. Okay, so but left side I can cut. But my cut is too easy. Yeah. But also it's just that whenever I'm
Wow, what a follow through. Now do that in the air and launch 30 feet.
I feel like the person said,
Not 30 inches, 30 feet.
But even that, I feel like if I'm playing against Golden, I just couldn't get it. My
Option!
arm dig it, and my cut is all my elbow fucking. That's why I can say, you think I'm better on right side, you didn't read my right side.
9-8.
That's why I can say.
Free ball.
Like, so when
Free ball. Oh, I think it's going out.
I got a 2
Yeah, free ball.
Yo, why are you crossing each other? Keith, look at what you are on the court.
Huh?
Look at how close to the center you are. Step left 1. Step left 1.
9-8.
There. 'Cause you have cross.
Yes.
See?
Yes. Exactly. I had
Get up!
Yeah, I had it. Yeah, I was like, and then
I saw him.
That would never work in 9-man.
Noted.
I was about to say, imagine Austin Lee just sitting there.
Yes.
He always picks up my balls.
He also hit you in the balls.
Well, if I played my right side, right side cut, you're going across.
Oh, right.
If I played left,
9-10.
Was Justine already gone for that?
yeah. That's why this is not.
9-10.
But I think right side, I haven't picked up this yet. Right side.
Wait.
If I can get that, yeah.
Good switch. Oh yeah, reach up, boy.
I personally find right.
Come on. I got it.
No!
Let's go!
Because she bumped it. No.
I would have said this.
No, Speratu.
10. My fault.
You're not really
But
moving
yeah,
me.
Why did you have to give that to him?
That was so close.
That way, is it yours or Josh?
I think it's Josh. 1-0.
It's actually fun. All this for $200. I got it.
Oh! Option that, baby! I should commit that. Let's go!
I know, I was going to say the Australians find it
What? You weren't supposed to hear that! I'm getting both. Can you both just keep talking?
Yes! Oh! Get him!
Then wait. How do you say bottle of water?
Can you both say it at the same time?
Josh is like, I'm not going to fucking American. Oh yeah.
Wait!
No!
It was closer. It was close. I think someone yelled. I was yelling. Yeah. Shot.
3-1.
The most aggressive shot is with us?
Yeah.
Huh? I was about to say, wait, it's all Chinese.
Free ball.
Wait, let me
2-3?
Let me see.
Yep. I think it's going to the net.
I wasn't shocked. Like,
Or 2.
Yes. 16.
Oh!
Oh, kill. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. No, good one. That's it, right? And just cover short. You got the short now. You can get a hand on it now. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Fuck!
That was good. No, good touch. You were there.
Thank you, John.
Yeah, everyone takes it.
We got it. I got it. Every time will be better.
The problem is what you do. I guess so. That's it. You see, the greatest birth control was oh!
That was so ugly.
No, that's why she's the realest one. No, she shall never let you have it. That was so ugly.
That was on purpose. Alright, he go.
That's on film.
No, it's yours.
That's on film.
Oh wait, never mind. You
No,
ace.
it's Keith.
You ace now. What?
No, it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
Right. 6-3. Alright.
Oh, shit. Wait, no.
Oh, nice.
No, wait.
Oh! He's a big player.
Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna stop.
7-3.
No, my great-great-great-grandfather had
Yes.
Yes,
Ah, deeper, deeper.
Thank you for the send.
Deeper here.
longevity on my mom's
I was too excited.
That was a good idea, honey.
I saw him,
I know.
and I got eager, and then I overran.
Yeah.
No. 1924. 1924. Yeah.
Oh, yes. My bad. 8-5.
Yeah. So all my moms, like the women on my mom's side, if they don't have cancer, they all have like ridiculous
Okay. This one's going out, I think. He is in my head.
What?
Oh.
Sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm down, dog! I went to recycle! You were really calling for that.
Wow, that was a good set. I was like,
And that's a game point.
just been like,
Yeah.
7-9. 7-9.
Yeah.
actually, I kind of, just for the shit of it, I know I'm pulling my leg.
Oh.
I kind of want to tomahawk the leg on the floor.
Oh.
Because I see shots, both again.
Who's this?
27.
Huh? No, but I mean, I know what if I were to do this, I would
Oh! James on top, yeah. He like jumped his elbow.
that way. If you translate that to our first two games, we wouldn't have had to do doubles each time.
Oh.
But doubles is fun.
Oh.
8 points.
Yeah, 2014, 2015.
Oh, not way.
Oh, I'm not missing this one.
Not way. This is the one.
No.
Out.
Chase Key!
Yeah. Where's the pass? Yeah, huh? 9 points. Let's just go. 9 points. 9 points. Alright. I gotta walk in a little bit.
Okay, now way. No pressure. No pressure here.
Go, Justin!
Yes.
Let me go!
I go.
Get up!
Oh, no.
Oh, no!
Oh my god.
Point. yeah.
Look at
Great,
that shit.
Oh god. Oh yeah.
Look at her.
Okay,
Get up. Good set.
come on.
Oh yes.
Wait.
Go deep, go deep.
I tried.
Good. Watch the option and be careful at the cross.
Go on. Yes! Yes! That feels so good as well. That's good set.
I'm not gonna
The
lie.
indoor
That
duel.
was actually pretty up there.
21.
Yeah, 21.
He wasn't high up. He was like full down. That was a regular
Just if you don't have the power to speed, you can like poke it.
either pokey it or
Because poke it short, right? You can
Yeah.
poke it deep.
If you're not confident, you
One,
yourself,
one.
I always
the only
forget.
other option is to like smack it up.
All right, now way.
21?
Yeah, I got it.
21.
Right to you, man. Go on. Come on.
Oh, go,
come on.
get up!
Go, go, go,
Oh!
let's go.
Okay. Yes.
Ouch!
Out. One more.
Good. Advantage.
2-1. Okay, now way. Yeah, easy set, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, he got some shit, bro. I was ripped my pants off just now. Two? Two.
I go.
Go, Keith!
Not the box hit you.
23 now?
3-2. Point two. Woo!
Oh, it's not happening?
Yes! Oh, you just gotta throw him a little bit of bait. Set the ball not as well. That's my favorite. No, wait even longer.
So 23. Got that.
Yeah.
Oh.
4-3.
Hey!
24, 23.
4-3. Yeah.
Might as well play CBA so they can
Boxing, right?
If they do that, I've never.
Alright, now way.
I can.
He's only aced you like 10 times today. Lightweight. Yeah, you aced yourself. Yeah.
You know what?
We
You
saw that.
play a game of 28 and you're taking down after. Double.
Yeah, see.
Go chase, baby! Conway. Wait. Oh, 49. Conway.
Thank you. Point something. 5-4. 5-4. Five. Oh, on the line. Can't be hard to see. You're only winning for the hard to see now. Point 5.
Wait, Nanway, are you Taiwanese or Canadian? Well.
Alright, Nanway. Alright. Yeah, thanks for that word. Oh, that's fun.
Oh yeah, good
I
pick
got
up.
that.
Okay, it's done.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Hey, my bad, bro. I lost so many
And he fucked up the antenna.
Good game.
Look at that. Look what you did, Nanway. Look what you did.
Oh, what the fuck?
Strong. Alright.
Wow, 27.
Do you want to know your prize?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Tough.
I have it all recorded now. And now I can finally upload everything because I'm going to be...
Doesn't that mean you're busy
No,
recording
sitting
too
in the
much?
house
Interesting.
with my iPad while all a bunch of old people talk and I'm grabbing...
Maybe.
And I'm driving. People around.
That's why you're not coming up to
Yeah, because a lot of families visit like the Philippines, Australia, and
Can we play golf?
Can
we play grass, please? Please, let's play grass. I don't want this anymore. I hit so many balls in the fucking net.
Hey, yo, that was